It is my privilege on behalf of the National Agriculture and Innovation to align the purpose of today's policy dialogue on industrialization through innovation. This dialogue is both timely and necessary. South Africa faces the urgent challenge of industrial growth, creating quality employment opportunities, positioning itself more effectively within the regional and global value chains. Addressing these challenges requires more than technology advances or industrial policy and solution. It requires a partnership between science, technology innovation systems, and the country's industrialization agenda. In this regard, the collaboration between the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation and the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Competition is of particular significance. It is where knowledge meets production, where technological capabilities translate to industrial capability. It is where innovation and knowledge becomes a practical driver of economic transformation. Today's dialogue provides an important platform for strengthening this partnership, identifying ways in which South Africa can leverage its economy and build new sources of competitive advantage. Recognizing that innovation-led industrialization must ultimately translate into productive investment, industrial expansion, and firm-level competitiveness. NACI partnership by inviting the OR Tambo specific special economic zone to this event. This reflects government's significant investment in special economic zones, strategic development, investment, attraction, technology diffusion, and industrial upgrading. The involvement of the SEZ help us to ground this dialogue on practical experience, ensuring that the discussions are informed not only by policy or research perspective, but also by the realities and opportunities building innovation-driven industrial ecosystem. It further highlights the importance of the role that SEZs can play in supporting technology localization, growth, and the development of global competitiveness industries. This dialogue is informed by NACI's research on industrialization to innovation, which examined how South Africa can harness emerging and innovation capabilities to support competitiveness. The central objective of the study was to identify practical intervention that can strengthen the contribution of innovation to industrial development, supporting of manufacturing growth and technology localization. I would therefore like to express my sincere appreciation to the NACI experts whose commitment and expertise made this work possible. Are reflected on the report that formed the foundations of today's discussion. Following the tea break, Professor Mugabe and Dr. Bota will present the key findings of the study. Their presentation will provide an evidence-based foundation for the dialogue, demonstrate how research findings relate to the themes that will be explored throughout the day. Importantly, today's dialogue forms a critical part of the report finalization process. It provides an opportunity to test the findings, enrich the recommendations, ensure that they are informed by the practical realities and experiences of the key stakeholders. More importantly, it beyond analysis towards actions by identifying concrete measures that can be taken to strengthen South African innovation in industrial development ecosystem. The purpose of today's dialogue is therefore threefold. First, to facilitate a national conversation of the role of innovation as a strategic driver for industrialization, competitiveness, productivity growth, and economic development. Practical mechanisms for strengthening our nation policies and industrial policy. Technology and innovation translate to stronger industrial capability. And then to build consensus amongst the key stakeholders on the priority actions required to advance an innovation-led industrialization agenda that is inclusive and responsive to South Africa's developmental priorities. A key outcome of the dialogue will be the development of a recommendation that will emerge from the discussions across the various panels and breakaway sessions. These recommendations culminate in a call to action to be jointly endorsed by the Minister of Science, Technology, and Innovation and the Minister of Trade, Industry, and Competition. This call to action will articulate a shared vision for innovation-led industrialization, identify practical priorities for strengthening policy coherence, deepening collaboration, and accelerating South African reindustrialization effort. Ladies and gentlemen, the breadth of participation in this dialogue reflects the reality that industrialization is not a responsibility of a single institution, sector, or state government. It is a collective endeavor that depends on effective collaboration amongst policymakers, industry leaders, and development partners. The dialogue has therefore been designed to bring and experiences from across government, business, labor, academia, and civic society. Recognizing that South African industrial future is increasingly linked to regional and continental economic integration. We are also honored to welcome representatives from the regional and African institutions. Their participation will enrich our discussion on the South African industrial agenda with a broader context in the opportunities presented by the African Continental Free Trade. As I conclude, Minister, 2 minutes, because you must hear this one. Yeah. As I conclude, Honorable Minister and distinguished guests, last year we hosted the National System of Innovation Transformation Summit at Ashford Hotel. We publicly pronounced the summit declarations. We committed ourselves to placing science, technology, innovation at the center of industry and society. We further committed to transform the South African economy through science, technology, and innovation. It is against this context that this dialogue takes place. This dialogue call to action must find expression in our society, must empower us to take bold decisions to reindustrialize our country and propel its future growth. Honorable Professor Nzimande, it is my pleasure to announce that on the 8th of July 2026, STNI Business Forum, in partnership with Marian Guardian and Princeton University, will host the inaugural STNI Public Sector Lecture at the Paris Convention Center, which will bring more than 400 delegates from business and professionals. The lecture will serve as the official launch of the STNI Business Forum as a national policy advocacy organization which will champion the policy dialogue call to action. As we engage over the course of today or tomorrow, I encourage us to move beyond identifying challenges and towards defining practical actions. The true measure of this dialogue will not be the quality of our discussions alone, but it will be our collective ability to translate ideas into partnership policies and strengthen the investment case for building a successful, inclusive South Africa. I thank you and I wish you the productive and insightful engagements.